Hi guys, welcome back once again to this channel. So far we've been looking at the basics of Microsoft Excel. Today we'll be starting with intermediate Excel, and the first thing we'll be looking at is conditional formatting. But before I proceed, I would like to say well done and thank you to all that have been watching and practicing at my videos so far. Thank you for giving yourself to learning. So what is conditional formatting? Conditional formatting is you telling Microsoft Excel that if the data or the values in this cell or range of cells changes, automatically change the appearance of that cell. For example, you are saying if the values in this sales amount column are greater than 1000, automatically apply a formatting of red fill to the values in this column. Or you are saying if this values in this column falls below average, then format it to be in yellow color or yellow fill. Or if it falls below average or below 1000, give it red fill. Or you're saying highlight all the duplicates or all the unique values in a particular column. This is conditional formatting. Now let's check out some practical examples of how to apply conditional formatting to our data in Microsoft Excel. Join me.
With conditional formatting, you can apply formatting to a cell based on the value that are contained in it. And where can you find the conditional formatting button or command? You can find it in your home tab. In the styles group, you would see the conditional formatting command. So I'm going to click on this drop down button and we have different options to do this. We have highlight cell rows. Do you want to find values greater than, less than, between, equal to, text that contain a date occurring, duplicate values? We have click on for more rows. Or you want to find, we have some top button rows, top 10 items, top 10%, bottom 10 items, bottom 10%, above average, below average. Or you want to look at use data bars, or you want to use color scale, icon sets, or you want to create a new row based on a cell, formula in a table. So now let's look at this. So let's say I want to look at the product cost column, and I want to look at the top 10 product cost, the top 10 highest product cost, 10 of them that are the highest here. So I have to highlight the whole column or the whole data, then go to my home tab and I'll click on conditional formatting. Then here you can see top 10 items. So I'll click 10 top items, and what do you want to fill them with? Fill them with maybe green. Then okay, so you can see now these are the top 10 items in this table. Despite the fact that they are not arranged in descending order to see from the largest to smallest, it still checked through the data, the cell in the values in those cells, and it selected or highlighted the top 10 from this column. So what if I want to see the least product cost? See highlighting the data in that column. Then I'll go back to my insert tab, my home tab then drop down button beside conditional formatting. Then I'll come here and select button item. So you can see I'll leave that red fill. Then okay, can you see these ones here are the least product cost? That is why that's highlighted this top 10 here. Okay, so what if I want to see values greater than 100? I don't want to see values greater than 100, or I want to see values greater than maybe 100. So highlighting, let's use the product price column. I'll highlight the product price column. Then in my home tab, come here. I want to see product price greater than 100. So I would come here, highlight sales greater than. Then I would input 100. So what color do you want to give those? I want to give them not red. I want to give them, let's say, yellow fill. Then okay. So can you see all these highlighted are the product price greater than 100. Same thing if you want to do for less, try it out. You want to do for less than, you want to do for products between two numbers, try it out, equal to. So let's look at this. What if I want to look for products that are equal to red, all red products? So I'm highlighting all the column here in that one for product color here, then click on drop down inside conditional formatting. Then I want to highlight the cell rows that are equal to what? Formatted are equal to red. Then yes, give it red light field, light red field with dark red text. Okay, so you can see all products that are red have been highlighted. Can see the column, in the column product column, all red have been highlighted with red color. Let's check out again what we can look at. What if I want to look for, we want to check out date occurring or duplicate values. You can check out duplicate values too. Let's see, still in this, to remove the formatting, so I'm just going to go back to that home tab, journal button, and you see I want to clear rules. So it's going to ask, do you want to clear from the selected cell, that is what you highlighted, or the entire sheet itself? I would only work with the selected cell, so it has cleared the formatting I've done here. So I want to format all duplicates here, that is anywhere it sees duplicate in this column, just highlight them or format them with the formatting I asked Excel to. So I'm going to go back to my home tab, then jump up to site conditional formatting, and I would say duplicate. I want to highlight duplicates. So it could be duplicates, it could be unique too, but duplicates. So if I say duplicates, I want to highlight all duplicates with yellow fill. Okay, now it highlighted everything except blue, and that's because blue is the only unique value in this column. We don't have another blue aside this one, but the rest had duplicates. Red have duplicates, multi have duplicates, white have duplicates. That's why he highlighted those ones. So if I had said I only want to highlight unique values, now let me clear the formatting from here and clear formatting from selected cell, then go back. I want to only format unique, not duplicate. Format unique with red fill. So you would see only blue gets formatted. So what else are we going to look at? Let's look at, we've checked out how to highlight cell rows. We've checked out on bottom. Okay, so what if I want to, let's look at data bar and let's look at data bar and color scale. So let me first remove the formatting from the entire sheet. So it has removed any formatting on the sheet. So let me highlight this product cost. I want to see all values above average. Come here, then you can see above average. So it will highlight all values above average. And you see that highlighted it. What if I don't want values above average? I want to see values below average. It will highlight all values below average. Can you see that? So cancel. I'm not doing that. So I want to use the data bars to format this column. Come here using data bars. Now you can see we have gradient fill and solid fill. So we use gradient fill. The thing here is it adds a colored data bar to represent the value in itself. So the higher the value, the longer the bar. I'm going to hit this. So you can see it here. The shorter the bar, the smaller the product cost. The longer the bar, the higher the product cost. So you use data bars to also format your column. So anyone looking at this knows that the longer the bar, the product cost is high. The lower the bar, the product cost is low. So you can use that. Let's look at using icon set. Is it icon set? No, let's look at using color scale first before icon set. So I'm going to use color scale. What will color scale do? It applies a color gradient to a range of cells. The color indicates where each cell value falls within that range. So if I'm coming here to check, now we have different color scale. We have the green, yellow, red color scale. So it will apply, anywhere you see green, these are the highest value. Anywhere you see red are the least one. Anywhere you see yellow are those in the average values. So I'm going to select this. We have other ones too, depending on which one you ask Excel to use. So you can see from here, you can see green, these are the highest. Red are the least product price. Orange yellow, not orange now, like the average. They are between the least to the highest. So what else are we going to look at? We've checked out data bars. Now let's look at icon set. We have different icon sets. We have some directional icon sets, shape, indicators, and ratings. So let me use this table. Come in here. So we have here, we have job rating here. and it's from like 1 to 5. So I'm going to format this column to show some icons. So I'm going to use the star icon sets. That's for rating. So come here, icon set. I'll go down and choose for rating. So you can see this star with no field means the person has just the least. The person has the least rating, and the star with field, with the yellow field, has the highest rating. So you can see it. The one with half field is not up to 5. It's maybe between 2 and 3. So you can see that you can also use icons sets to format your data. I can also use that too for salary using that same icon set. Then go back. Now come here. Using icon set, I can use any direction, any of the directional or shape, anyone, or indicator, anyone. So let's say I'm using this. So I know anywhere I see the green arrow that is showing that it's going up, the green arrow in up direction is showing that okay, we have the highest salary. The red pointing down these are the least salary. Yellow pointing towards the right hand side shows these are salaries in the average range. Okay, so you also have another way you can do that without coming to this place to select any of the options. You can always come to your new, create a new row. When you click on that, all this formatting we've done, format all cells based on their values. You can see either lowest or highest. Format cells that contain, we've done this. Format only top or bottom ranked values. Format values based on above or below average. Format only unique or duplicate. We've done this already. So how now using a formula to determine which cell to format. So what if I want to see all the customers that earn above $10,000 here. I want to highlight all the customers, like their records, those that earn above $10,000. So all I have to do is just select the column I want to work with, the salary. I'm selecting the column I'm working with, which is salary. Then what do I want? If I just select first cell here, then let me highlight everything. Then in my home tab, come here. When clicking on new row, I want to format it by using a formula to determine which cell to format. So what is the formula that I want to input? I'm saying equal to what? Now I want to work with the salary column. So I'm selecting the first cell in the salary column. Now to do this, I have to lock this column. And to lock this column, don't forget letters are used to represent columns, while numbers are used to represent row. So for me to lock this salary column, I have to make sure that there's a $sign in front of the letter alone. So you can type that in, or you use your function key to do that, your F4. So to lock a cell, now note this, to lock a cell, you press your F4 button once. When you want to know that a cell is locked, you just look at it. When you see the $sign in front of the letter and in front of the number, it means that cell is locked. Now for you to know if a row is locked, you only see the $sign in front of the number. And for you to know if a column is locked, you only see the $sign in front of the letter, because letter represents column, right? So currently now you're seeing this, it means that cell is being locked. But no, we don't want the cell to be locked. We want to lock the column, not the cell. It means you're going to remove the $sign in front of the row and leave it at the column. So this way we know just the column is locked. The column here is locked. Then what are we saying? If this is what? Greater than $10,000. So type in 10,000. So what kind of formatting do you want to apply to it? Apply now. Fill everything with. Let's fill with green. Then I'll hit OK. Then I'll hit OK. So can you see that all these these employees cancel. These employees, their records have been highlighted. That's because they earn above $10,000. Can you see? This is from 10,520, 10,572, 10,630, and you can see down to 14,000. These ones are not highlighted because they didn't earn salary greater than $10,000. So how do I clear it? I've told you how to clear it. Just go to your home tab, then If I'm going to only remove the formatting from this table alone, I'll just highlight the table I want to work with alone. Then go back and click on the drop down button. Then I'm going to say clear rows. Then I'll clear rows from the selected cell. So also, if I want to look at this, the last option here, that's the manage rows. So here in this manage, you can add new rows. So I'm saying, okay, I want to see people, those that work hourly. So just telling Excel to highlight the record of those that work hourly. So I'm looking at this. Okay, this is hourly. Then add new row. So I'm coming here to use a formula to determine which cell to format. So equal to, always start your formula in Excel and equal to sign. Equal to, what is the column I'm working with? The hourly column is what I'm working with. The status column, I mean. Then we have to lock that column. So remove the last sign in front of the 2. Then is equal to what? Equal to hourly. So you can see I have to put my hourly in double quotation mark, in between double quotation mark. So format it with what color? Let me give it yellow. Then okay. Then let's hit okay and okay. So can you see there's highlighted all the employees that works hourly. So you can see that. So this is how you format your data. If you still want to add more formatting, all you have to do is just highlight the data you want to format, then go back to that home tab, click on the drop down button and go back to the manage rows. So if you want to add more formatting, add new row, or you want to edit the one you have before, you want to delete the row, so you can do that anyhow. So that is that on formatting your data in Excel. So I hope you need to learn or grab one or two from the video. Thank you. Be able to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Bye.